Hi, today we are going to talk about Radiomaster Controller. Okay, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. If you are planning to buy a controller, this might help you. If you like to fly and run, choose the small gimbal controller. If you fly for long hours, choose the big gimbal controller. It's more comfortable. The small gimbal controller, because of the gimbal is closer, so often it's not as comfortable as a bigger gimbal controller. Now, if you are new to flying, it's our first controller, or you have limited budget, try the Pocket. You have a flying utility drone or aerial drone, try TX12. If you're flying fixed wing, long range FPV, or utility drone, you like to fly and run, try the GX12. Now, for TX15 wise, is like the improved version of Boxer. You like the full-size controller with bigger gimbal. Generally, it's more comfortable. You fly for hours, practicing, training, or just flying. A bigger gimbal controller would be a better option. But you want a bigger gimbal chip controller, and yet you have limited budget, get the TX15. If you have ample budget and like top of the line, you can try the TX16. That's the flagship. So one of the questions that people ask is CNC gimbal worth the money? If you never find it before, you never use it before, I would think that no, because you don't know how does it feel like. If you use it before, you will know that there is a difference in the way that it feels. Generally, most of the people that use it before prefer to have the same CNC gimbal. So compared to a plastic gimbal feeling, a CNC gimbal will definitely feel much better. Now, but that being said, if you are flying a lot, CNC gimbal can be more cost effective because it will last longer. But spending money, whether it's worth this money to buy a change to a CNC gimbal, is more of a subjective question. That's all I have for you all.